Hey RCA Middle School, we are going to go over our new project. So welcome to the first week of digital online learning, and I hope that you're excited to get back to schoolwork and ready for our new project. So we are going to be looking at Mesoamerica, which means South America and Mexico prior to European arrival. And specifically, we're going to look at three groups of people. We're going to look at the Aztecs, the Maya, and the Inca. And so for this project, the overarching theme or the piece that we're going to be looking at is how different groups affect the environment. And so we're going to look at those early Mesoamerican groups, and then we're also going to look at our own practices and the things that we do currently in modern day and how that affects the environment. So that's the overarching theme for this project, and I'm super excited for this one. I think that it's going to give you guys lots of choice to kind of pick which topics you're interested in and to do some additional research on your own. So when we look at this project, you're going to go in, and in the project overview, it kind of explains this topic and gives you a little bit more information on that. That's also where in that description part, I'm going to post this video. So if you need to get back to this video and you need to understand the project better, you can click this video again and be able to see it there. So the first thing that you guys are going to do just for this week, so for the next 5 days, is you're going to choose two groups that you want to look at. And so checkpoint 1, 2, and 3 all say choose 2 next to them so that you know you're going to pick 2 of those 3 that you want to complete. So you can choose to look at the Aztecs, the Inca, or the Maya. You're going to pick 2 groups. Okay, so one of those checkpoints you don't have to do. So let's say that I choose the Aztecs. I'm going to click on checkpoint 1, and inside of checkpoint 1, there's 2 things that you're going to look at. The first one is the activity, and the second is the document set. So those are the 2 things that you're going to need in here. And just like most of the social studies assignments, there is a mild, a medium, and a spicy version of that reading. So you can pick which version works best for you. There's also a PowerPoint that explains this whole project. So if you need to click into that and get some background information, you could look at that as well, but you don't have to. That's an optional assignment or an optional piece just to get more info. So you're going to click on the activity. So let's click on this one for the Aztec. So in here, it has a graphic organizer, and you're going to use the documents to read through and fill this out. So you're going to write down the letter of the document. So document A, document B, document C. You're going to find a quote in each of the documents that helps you to answer the question. And then you're going to describe what each document tells you about the environment. So for this one, we're looking at how did the environment impact Aztec architecture. So buildings. Did they build huge temples? Did they build small huts? What does their architecture look like? And how does the environment affect that or play a piece in that? So in each of the documents that you read, you want to find evidence or a quote from the reading and then explain that relationship. So that is checkpoint 1. Checkpoint 2 and 3 are exactly the same. It just is on a different group. So checkpoint 2 is on the Inca, and checkpoint 3 is on the Maya. So you're going to pick 2 of those groups that you want to look at. And let's say I want to do the Maya as my second one. I'm going to scroll down, and there's the Maya activity, and there's the Maya document set. Okay. Now the topics are slightly different also. So you'll notice that the Aztecs were looking at architecture. The Inca is looking at agriculture, which means crops that they're growing or food that they're growing. And then the third one, the Maya, looks at survival. So what are they doing to survive either the incoming Europeans or war with other groups or just the environment itself? And so each of those groups has a slightly different lens through which you're going to look at the environment. So all you're going to do this week is pick your two groups and fill out that chart for both groups, okay? If you're an overachiever and you want to move ahead, you're going to take those pieces of information, and in checkpoint 4, there's a comparison chart that you're going to fill out. And again, you're only doing it on 2 groups. So you can ignore the third group, whichever one that you don't pick. Okay? If you have questions about this assignment, if you get stuck and you need help, give me a call. You can text me, you can call me, you can send me an email, and I would be more than happy to walk you through step by step through this process. You could also submit things for feedback or click the I need help button inside of the checkpoint, and I will do my best to make sure that you guys are understanding the assignment and getting that finished. So the goal by Friday is to have 2 of those checkpoints finished and submitted. Next week, we'll look at the chart, and then we'll start doing our research on your own environmental impact. So we'll look at some modern day current event topics, like maybe pandemics might be something that somebody wants to dive into and do a little bit of research on, so that you're looking at current events. It's up to you. You get to decide when we get down to that environment today piece. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week. If you need anything, let me know. We'll be checking in and doing some mentor check-ins this week, and we'll also be checking in as a whole group for this middle school class. So if you need anything, reach out, let me know, and I'm excited to see what you guys are able to finish. Thanks.